Hey everyone, this is Jeff with TentCraft. Today I'm going to show you how to install our truss drain into our flat roof truss system. This is a telescoping drain, so it varies in size depending on what size truss you have. This will telescope out. And once we get that installed, this flexible hose will connect to the end of the drain and run up your leg, so all the water will drain out wherever you like. All you're gonna need to install this is a flathead screwdriver or a socket or wrench for the hose clamp. They're standard hose clamps, so a flathead will work. Everything else comes pre-assembled, so the only tool you'll need is a socket or a flathead. Once you get your truss set up and in the air, if your truss roof does have a drain in it, this portion of the drain is going to come pre-assembled, so this will already be in your roof when you get it. And at that point, you're going to take your aluminum truss drain part, you'll telescope this out to one of the legs, doesn't matter which one, wherever you want the water to drain, kind of prop it in a section of the leg here, and then you're going to telescope this right out to the portion of the drain, line this part up, and then just simply push that on so it sits on there. And then you're gonna take your flathead, socket, whatever you use, and tighten down this hose clamp here to secure it. Make sure you snug it up pretty good so it doesn't slip off. And you're gonna come back out to your leg. And this is meant to be a little bit mobile, so you can set this down as far as you want. You do want somewhat of an incline, obviously, for the gravity to pull the water out. And your flexible hose will come and weave through the inside of the leg. And with the end of the hose clamp, you're just going to attach that to the end of your drain, put it in 2 or 3 inches. And then with the thumb screw here, you're just going to tighten that one down to the aluminum end. And this portion will go out to wherever you want that water to drain.